Make sure we're recording. Alright, appendix D, the extruded bitmap primitive, the extruded bitmap with your EBM primitive that allows you to make with a three-dimensional 3D shape from a two-dimensional black and white image. The feature that can help with dealing with the complex outline text and complicated shape of the captured into the image. For example, the extruded bitmap could be either one wanted to model 3D letters such for the company with the name of the outline on the side of the simulated wall of the building. All the same image for the project came with the extra processing from the base of the extra extruded bitmap. Show the example of the BW imposed on the extruded bitmap. Example of the extruded bitmap. This would also be the example of the extruded bitmap with a projection shader added. And alright, to make the extruded bitmap, the image file must be in black and white. The black and white image is in gray. The black and white image is in grayscale. The raw image file on only one channel. Each pixel can be turned on and off. But in no color data, the shown figures C2 and C3, the white part of the image may be extruded in a straight line of the positive Z direction, whatever length they use to specify, regardless of the complexity with the geometry, extrude the shape of the single electronic bitmap, extruded bitmap primitive. The enter of the extruded bitmap into the database, the insert command must be used. The augmentations are shown in the following. Alright, make a shape, name it as sample, make it an extruded bitmap, and use the image black and white image file, the maximum 600 the image 600 pixels by 800 pixels, extrude the shape of 1 inch for whatever working units of the factor that with the time and the Z direction. Alright, points to remember about extruded bitmaps. The extruded bitmap cannot be created can be created with the make or create inside commands. The desired width and height of the extruded bitmap are inputs of the pixel value, but with the extrusion distance can be expressed with any of the working units. Extrusions are made with the positive Z direction all through after the extruded bitmaps are made with the shape that can be rotated, translated, and scaled. When extruded, all shape with a single extruded bitmap primitive. Alright, Appendix D, setting up the MGED rendering RC file.